What if the creatures of the past we thought lost forever could be encountered in the present? Imagine strolling beside animals once stamped as extinct, their tales not concluding within history books, but persisting through the avenues of science and conservation. From labs bringing ancient DNA back to life to exhibits that display the remnants of species no longer with us, the line between what was and what could be fades. Each being, from the grand Pinta giant tortoise to the mysterious Tasmanian tiger, narrates a story of endurance, revival, and nature's unyielding urge to persevere. Now, let's set out to explore how these extinct animals continue to influence our world, compelling us to reconsider our bond with the myriad forms of life that share our planet. The Pinta giant tortoise. In the Galapagos Islands, the Pinta giant tortoise tells a story of resilience and hope, with the last known individual, Lonesome George, marking what many thought was the end. Science had a different narrative in mind. Researchers embarked on a groundbreaking initiative, using advanced genetics to bring back traits of the Pinta species through close relatives. This ambitious project is not just about reversing extinction, but is a testament to human dedication to preserving the natural world. Walking among the descendants of these ancient creatures, visitors now witness firsthand the tangible results of conservation efforts. The existence of these tortoises thriving once more serves as a living museum, showcasing the power of science and the critical importance of biodiversity. It's an inspiring reminder that extinction is not always the final chapter, but rather, with human intervention, it can be a new beginning for species once thought to be lost in history. The splendid poison frog. The splendid poison frog, with its radiant hues, was once a hidden gem of the rainforest, its existence threatened until conservationists intervened. Captive breeding programs became the lifeline for these small yet significant amphibians, showcasing a remarkable story of survival and human ingenuity. Visitors to specialized conservation facilities are offered a unique chance to observe these frogs up close, gaining insights into their vital role within the ecosystem and the pressing need for habitat preservation. This experience is more than educational. It's a vivid call to action, highlighting the interconnectedness of life and the human impact on the environment. The survival of the splendid poison frog symbolizes hope, underscoring the importance of each species in maintaining ecological balance. Through these efforts, the frog becomes a beacon of conservation success, illustrating how targeted actions can save even the smallest creatures from the brink of extinction, ensuring their colors continue to brighten the rainforest canopy. Spix's macaw. The tale of the Spix's macaw is a poignant illustration of conservation's power and the challenges that come with it. In the quiet of their enclosures, away from their native Brazilian habitats, these azure parrots represent both loss and hope. The efforts to save them from the brink of extinction illuminate the crucial role of international cooperation in wildlife preservation. Breeding programs are not merely about increasing numbers. They symbolize a commitment to restore a species to its natural glory. Observing these macaws, one can't help but be inspired by the possibility of their return to the wild, a testament to the resilience of nature when given a chance. This bird, with its striking blue plumage, serves as a living reminder that conservation requires patience, dedication, and a deep understanding of the delicate balance of ecosystems. The Spix's macaw's journey from extinction in the wild to the hope of reintroduction is a narrative that resonates with the urgency of protecting our planet's biodiversity. The ivory-billed woodpecker. The ivory-billed woodpecker, often referred to as the Lord God bird, remains one of ornithology's most captivating enigmas. Its presumed extinction and the subsequent claims of sightings have sparked a fusion of hope and skepticism within the scientific community and beyond. This bird's elusive nature and the dense habitat, it prefers complicated efforts to prove its existence. Yet the search continues, driven by the allure of rediscovering what was once lost. The quest for the ivory-billed woodpecker is more than a search for a bird. It's a symbol of the wilderness that once dominated the American landscape and a reminder of what is at stake without vigilant conservation efforts. Each reported sighting and piece of evidence fuels the ongoing debate and highlights the importance of preserving our natural habitats. The story of this woodpecker underscores the mystery and beauty of the natural world, urging us to look closer and listen more intently to the stories whispered in the forest. The Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger captivates the imagination, a specter from the past that continues to spark intrigue and wonder. Through the lens of history, captured in photographs and films, the thylacine lives on, a ghostly reminder of what was lost. These images, haunting yet fascinating, offer a glimpse into a world where this creature was once a reality. As science forges ahead with groundbreaking tools like CRISPR, the prospect of reviving the Tasmanian tiger transforms from science fiction to a potential future scenario. This dialogue between past and future, mediated through technology and visual archives, invites us to reflect on the consequences of human actions on wildlife and the ethical dimensions of using genetic technologies to correct past mistakes. The thylacine's enduring presence in visual media not only memorializes it, but also serves as a powerful emblem of conservation's potential to rewrite the endings for species we've wronged. The passenger pigeon. The narrative of the passenger pigeon is a profound lesson in humility, a stark illustration of how abundance can swiftly shift to absence. Through the silent witnesses of preserved specimens and the art they inspire, the story of this once ubiquitous bird unfolds, teaching us the fragility of nature's bounty. Museums and galleries act as custodians of this lost world, where the sheer numbers of passenger pigeons once defied imagination, a reminder that no species is too plentiful to be pushed to oblivion. Engaging with these remnants, we are drawn into a reflective journey on the impacts of human activities on our planet's biodiversity. The passenger pigeon's tale urges a collective awakening to cherish and safeguard the diversity of life that still flourishes, emphasizing the critical need for conservation efforts to ensure that no other species follows its path. The quagga. The quagga's story is a fascinating chapter in the annals of natural history, blending the lines between what once was and what could be again. This creature, with its unique appearance straddling the visual characteristics of a zebra and a horse, represents the intriguing possibilities of genetic science and selective breeding. The Quagga Project, ambitious in its scope, seeks not just to replicate the quagga's distinct appearance, but to challenge our perceptions of extinction and conservation. As we learn about and support these efforts, we engage with a living history, a science that brings the past into dialogue with the present. This endeavor to resurrect the quagga's traits in modern zebras is a testament to human ingenuity and a call to reconsider our role in shaping the biodiversity of our planet. It highlights the importance of preserving genetic diversity and the potential to rectify past mistakes through the lens of science and conservation, offering hope for future generations to experience a piece of the world that was once thought to be forever lost. As we close this chapter of Global Creature Feature, it's clear that the line between the past and the present is not as definitive as once thought. Through the stories of these 7 creatures, we've seen how extinction doesn't always mean the end. It's a call to action, a reminder of our responsibility to the planet and its inhabitants, and an invitation to explore the wonders of nature, both lost and found. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and conservation. Remember, every creature has a story, and it's up to us to listen, learn, and act to ensure those stories don't end with extinction. Subscribe for more adventures with Global Creature Feature, where the past meets the present, one creature at a time.